The light is glowing in front of the secondary coil.
What are you going to tell us about today?
I am going to tell you about Tesla coil.
Who invented Tesla coil?
The Tesla coil was invented by Nikola Tesla.
Okay. And what else did he invent?
He invented AC current.
Okay. Tell me about the parts of Tesla coil.
This is the power source and this is the power connector. This is the battery connector. And this is the primary coil. This is the secondary coil. This is the ball of the Tesla coil. That makes high voltage. This is the primary coil. Oscillating current through the primary coil produces varying magnetic fields. See, the light is glowing in front of the secondary coil. See how far the current can go without wires. When we place a conductor in front of the coil,